again, it's Anna here at the Diamond Fireglass showroom. I'm here today to show you one of the hottest trends of the year for your outdoor fire pit, ceramic fireballs. Today, I'm going to show you just how simple it is to install a mixed fireball set in a large fire pit we have here in our showroom. Let's get started. The fireballs are typically placed over a crushed lava ash bed as a foundation for your fireballs. Now that we have our base, we can begin installing the fireballs. We chose two sets to complete this look, ball 30A and ball 48A. As you can see, we have a lot of boxes here, so let's open them up and take a look at all the different sizes of fireballs. I like to start by placing the larger sizes down first and then filling in with the smaller sizes. With a mixed set, it really comes down to creative placement for each fireball. Thanks for tuning in to our video. To get your fireball set, go to diamondfireglass.com or come visit us in our showroom.